Here we will write a Python program to accept the element from the user and store it in array at a specific index. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will import the array. So import array as ARR. Then we will initialize the array. So number equal to ARR.array. We will define integer array, so I, and we will specify the elements here. Then first we will print the original array. For this we will use for loop. So for I in range 0, 4, which is the length of array. And then we will print the array. So print number I. Then we will accept the index where we are going to insert the element. So n equal to int input enter index to insert. Then we will accept the element. So e equal to int input enter element to insert. Then we will use insert method. So number dot insert n comma e, that is index and then element, and then we will print the array after inserting. So print array after inserting element. We will use for loop. So for I in range 0, 5. Here we will specify the 5 since we are inserting the extra element. So the length of the array will be 5, and we will print the array. So print number for I. Then we will save this. Insert array, and then we will execute this. First it will print original array. Then I will give the index as 2 and element as 25. It will print the array as 10, 20, 25, 30, 40. Since we have given the index 2 and value as 25, so at index position 2 it will insert the 25 and it will move the other elements to the next position.